Okay, guys, $300, $1,000. We have 6,000 bucks. So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. My friends, today as always I am going to show you one of the coolest strategies for the binary options market. I will show you how to make millions with help of my strategies on this market. So if you want to be millionaire, be ready and watch this video. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to show you how to work these millions, and let's do that shit. Okay, so now we're opening first sell position. Just give me some seconds, I will explain you why. We have opened sell position here according to the current trend movement from the zone of the interest, and to be more exact, from the demand zone. Price is going through this zone, and it's showing us a very significant drop that will be continued very soon. That's why we have opened sell position here. Today we're using two indicators, alligator indicator together with RSI indicator, RSI oscillator. So the first trade was profitable. We have $4 in our account. That's quite good. So here we have opened buy position from the zone of interest. Current candles cannot show us that we have enough power for the growth. That's why we have opened sell position in continuation of the current movement, expecting the potential drop. So, okay guys, we have done this. We have $7 in our accounts. Let's continue. So, okay, what do we have here? We have opened sell position here. As you see, we have a very strong bearish impulse that have broken through the demand zone. Price continues following. That's why we have opened sell position here. So price continues falling, our sell position is opened, and all we need right now is just to wait. Okay guys, so it's done. We have 13 bucks. Let's continue. Let's check the next currency pair. So, okay guys, as you can see, the previous candle here was a pin bar, and that's why now we have a signal for the continuation of the current growth. We have opened buy position here with an investment of 13 bucks, expecting the potential growth. So it's done, my friends. We have around $24. Now we need to continue. So let's check the next pair. I think that here we should open buy position. RSI is oversold. Price is making the new low. Everything is telling us that we should open buy position. It was the perfect entry point. Perfect entry points, guys. It was perfectly done, really. Okay guys, so we have around $45 on our account. Fine, so now we're opening buy position here from the zone of interest. Moreover, we can clearly see the pin bar in the previous candles. That is also telling us that price will have a likely grow right now. So let's just wait a little bit and see what market will bring to us. Okay guys, so we have $84. $84 is done. Now let's move forward. So I have changed my investment to 84 bucks, and here I'm going to open buy position from the current low in the current flats movement. So we now are seeing the growth from the demand zone, and it will be continued, showing us the possible new high of this flat movement. So perfectly done, my friends. We have $157 here. Let's continue. We have already changed our investment to 157 bucks. Let's think about the next trade. So here we're opening buy position from the current low. Price has reached the bottom and now it will highly likely start growing. And yep, it seems to me that we have found the best entry points, my friends, because price is showing us a very good reaction from this point. Okay, my friends, yep, just look at this big green candle. Price is listening to me and it shows me what I wanna see. Fine, we have around 300 bucks, my friend, 300 bucks in our account, and let's think about the next trade for today. So first of all, let's change our investment to $294. And by the way, guys, while I'm doing this, don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you will find the best and coolest link to my private TG, in which you will get access to my personal trading signals, my daily analytics and educational materials. And together with that shit, the most important thing is that if you write me a private message telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private TG, in which, my friends, you will get access to the same kind of trading sessions just like this. And you know what? You will get real cash each day, my friends. Real cash, real money at the scheduled time each day. I hold daily online trading sessions. I'm giving you trading signals, you follow them, and you get your money. Everything is very simple. All you need is just subscribe to my private TG, write me, and become a VIP member and participate in the online trading sessions. Everything is very simple. Everything depends only on your decision. Subscribe to my private TG right now. Don't waste your time and be millionaire together with me. Okay, my friends, so here we have opened buy position, investing $294. We had a pullback from the current trend. We have upgoing trend. Now price is showing us that it's ready to start growing once again, and everything is going according to our plan. And our plan is growth. Okay, guys, so what do we have right now? Let's change our investment to 550 bucks. So we have selling zone in the flat movement. Price is showing us that it's ready to drop. And I think we should try to open sell position here. I will do this. Okay, it's done. Now let's wait and see what markets will bring to us. Okay, my friends, it was done. It's profitable. We have around $1,000 on our account. Let's continue. Oh shit, just imagine that shit. We had $2, now we have 1,000 bucks. So we have done around 1,000 times more. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's so fucking cool. Mwah! That's why I really love binary options, because of that shit. Only that sphere can help you to achieve such profits. Oh shit, 1,000 bucks from just $2. Oh, that's fucking crazy. Okay, my friends, let's continue. We have opened sell position here. We can see a pullback, a short pullback. Our current trend is down going, and now we have opened sell position in the continuation of the current movement. And yep, you can see price it continues falling. Yep, so fucking cool, big red candle. That's what I'm loving. That's what I love. Oh shit, yep, continue doing this, baby. You know what I love. Oh shit, yep, that's amazing. That's cool. Fuck, that's so nice. Yep, I was right. We have around $2,000 on the account. I think we will do several last trades for today. I will go for the rest. Okay, my friends, let's think what we should trade next. Today we are trading only 3 currency pairs: USD BRL and DC CHF and Audi CAD. So first of all, let's change our investment to $900. I will explain why very soon, and check out the CAD currency pair. We have reached the new highs, price maximums. We don't have enough power for the continuation of the growth, and now I'm expecting the downgoing correction. That's why I have opened 2 sell positions with investment of $900 each, and totally we have invested $1,800. So we just have $98 left on the account. This is our hedge assets, and $1,800 are invested. Let's now just wait for 1 minute and see what will we have here, and I'm sure we will have a lot of money. Yep, my friends, it's done. We have a lot of money. We have around $3,500. So what do I think? I think that we should do the last trade for today, for today's trading session. Just give me some time while I'm thinking which pair I should trade. Okay, let's change our investment to $1,000. Let's check USD BRL currency pair. So, as you can see, price has reached the bottom, current bottom. Now price is showing us quite good upgoing correction. I think we should help it to do this and open buy position. Now just give me some seconds while I'm analyzing which entry points will be the best one. Okay, let's trade right now. I think it will be nice. So we have invested $3,000 here. We still have $464 on the account. This is our hedge asset, and $3,000 are invested. So now let's just wait a little bit until we get our money. So perfectly done, my friends. Just look at this shit. We have 6,000 bucks. We made them just from $2. We turned $2 into 6,000 bucks. That's so fucking crazy. That's so fucking good. My friends, if you wanna trade like this, if you wanna trade like a pro, subscribe to my private TG right now and be him, be millionaire together with me. Do this right now.